This is the lobby elevator at the Hilton Hotel in Tampa, Florida. You heard that dinner bell. That is pretty cool. That right there is a sky bridge to One Tampa City Center. And look at that. These are like, I think Epco circle line buttons. That is a really cool bell. The outer doors open a little more slowly than the inner doors. Let's go to 3. I'm not sure if it took it. It did. It says we're going up. Yeah, 3 is the top floor. Oh, never mind. Here is your equipment, like door equipment. I think that's a Westinghouse interlock. Yep, it is. Let's go. 1. Mentioned second thought, let's go at 2, just out of curiosity. Here is your cab view. Watch this. That's pretty cool. And here's your call station. Ooh. We're gonna go down to 1. We're gonna go up to 3. And the button's burned out. Alright, we're gonna end it here. So, there it goes. And that'll be it.